Hey guys, JK Hool here. I hope you're having a wonderful day as I'm having. Today I got another special surprise. Today we got the bumper. Yes, I was going to have it wrapped. That's my last video. You guys noticed the bumper didn't have any of the parts on it. Was simply because I was going to have it wrapped. And here in Tennessee it winds up, it's a whole lot more expensive to have it wrapped than it was to get a bumper. So I got a black bumper that's been black powder coated. And it looks really good. Let me go show it to you real quick. There it is. It's awful pretty. I think we just need to do this thing, don't you? As you guys see the bumper. By the way, any of you guys want to use bumper? DM me on Instagram. I'll give you a hell of a deal on this bumper. Alright guys, as you can tell, we got it done. Wasn't any fun, I'll tell you that much. Don't text and drive. Remember, subscribe, like, tell your friends, go to Facebook and like our Facebook. And, like always, we'll talk to you, We'll talk to you. We'll see you next video.